So now, imana ihe mere na Port Harcourt, Elias, all those things. Ihe mere na place na ebute confusion. Do you know why you ebute confusion? Because now, Asari Dokuboso were engineer the thing. So he sees this incident as a form of, event his anger towards Igbo people because the Muslim they involve. Kedu ihe na-eso okwu na mmadụ nọrọ ọgụ ama ofu onye daga ofu onye wee nwụọ. Kedu ihe ọ bụ onye Igbo ka egburu di ya? No. Ọ bụ onye Enugu ka egburu di ya? No. Mana why would you come and zize ndị Hausa ka ndị Hausa wee na-ekwu okwu? Because n'ịma na wee ndị a maka ndị Hausa si eche echiche. Agwa m how long ndị mmadụ na-anwụ, ndị Christians anwụọla na Benue State, Kwara State, everywhere na-egbu mmadụ, bandit na-egbu mmadụ. You will never see any Hausa, Arewa, anybody come out of that place ka o wee mee gịnị ka ha kwuo okwu sị na ihe ndị ala nwa na-eme adị ọkwa mma. Kita just this thing women, so they decided to turn the anger towards ndị Igbo. Kedu ihe onye akwụ na video possible that man nke onye Hausa bụ ụzọ bịa mee video si na ha ebido gbugbe ndị Igbo nọ na be ha, ebe ndị Igbo gbuo ndị be ha o mebiele ndị be ha ihe na Port Harcourt, na ha yi retaliate that thing n'isi ndị Igbo. Ọ bụrụ maka gịnị statement Asari Dokobokwu. I don't know why ndị be ha ji wee jụọ you too much. Ohaneze ndị Igbo that is overseeing those events, that is overseeing that area, should have write petition Sibula Asari Dokubo, because na gịnị me ọ na-pass wrong information to his Muslim brothers. And the way they are saying, "I'm not happy to go fasting now." They will wait after they are fasting. Hey, may actually, that is the honest truth. Can that same operate? Or na ha fasting now. They will wait after fasting. That is when they will do what they want to do. So, in my own opinion, I'm still in the opinion of Ohaneze Ndibo of that area, or any kind, or any Ohaneze Ndibo should write petition against Asari Dokubo for engineer ethnic crisis between two communities and two tribes. Ikokota nwanne nwanne n'isi ọnụ. Ha maka esi so ya n'oyibo ka udo anya. Maka oyibo ba agbara. Enweka isi ti ya n'oyibo na ikpe ama Asari Dokubo because his statements are clear. His statements the clear who ha. Kodikwan.
Greetings to Nigerians all over the world. My name is Justice Ozobi. I'm the leader of the Eastern Youth Movement. I want to use this opportunity to alert the whole nation concerning a security threat in our region. Arewa youth leader came online and said that the Igbos are killing their people in the east, and for that reason they are going to retaliate if the security men do not do anything about it. First of all, I want to debunk such lies. We have 5 states in Nigeria that is made up of Igbo, and there is no such a thing in the entire Igbo land. As a matter of fact, the Igbo region is the only region in Nigeria that can never fight any tribe living in their residence. It has never been heard in the news, it has never been heard in the history, it has never been heard anywhere that Igbo people are fighting anyone living in their region. If you have evidence of such, bring it out. Igbo people, as a matter of fact, doesn't fight people living in their region. It is a taboo under our tradition, it is a taboo under our culture. We don't fight people, we don't kill innocent people living in our residence. There was a fight between LMA boys and Aboki people riding Okada at Port Harcourt. Asari Dokubo came online and said that Igbo people were the ones that organized the riot. And up till today, the Nigerian security agencies has not arrested Asari Dokubo for him to point out those people that set up the riot. Asari Dokubo has failed to point out the Igbo people that start or set up the riot. Till now, the Nigerian security hasn't arrested Asari Dokubo for him to prove his point. Now, causing a national security threat to the whole nation. When social media wasn't in existence, this is how some northern elite manipulates fight, and before you know it, it will escalate and two regions will start fighting each other. Just for them to have their way into Asolok, they will always create a chaos between the citizens. This is how they used to manipulate fights every time. And unfortunately, social media has made everything to be exposed online. Now, as they are doing it, we will now come online to debunk it, telling the whole world what is happening for real. That Arewa youth leader has been paid for what he is saying online. He has been paid. He has been paid. He is working for APC. Last time he came online and said that if Igbo people touch very dark man, that very dark man glow up in the north. Does that make any sense? All this is doing is for him to cause a chaos between the Igbos and the Northerners, just because P2B is coming for election. Because they believe that if they can manage to link up a fight between the North and the East, they have achieved their goal. So Arewa youth leader is being used for the manipulation this time around. And the painful part of it is that the same Arewa youth leader is a Muslim who claims that Muslim is most peaceful religion on earth. Even under this Ramadan, he didn't even respect Allah. He didn't respect the Quran, the teachings of the Quran. He came online to accuse a tribe forcefully. I'm calling on the whole nations to call the Arewa youth into order. Let Nigerian security agencies do their work. Let them verify his claims. Nobody should be above the law. If Nigerian security agencies fail to arrest Arewa youth leader, I'm calling them now out to arrest Arewa youth leader. Let him prove his point. Let him point out the Igbos that killed Aboki people. If Nigerian security force fails to do this, we the Igbos will retaliate. We are waiting patiently to see if the Arewa youth people will touch any Igbo man doing his or her business illegitimately in the north. We are patiently waiting for them. Nigeria is already at the edge of breaking away. We accept this. We accept the drama. We are going to welcome the drama. Let the drama start. If any Igbo person is being touched by any Arewa youth in the north, the retaliation will be so great. We will even march down to Arewa religion. We are not afraid of you people. Our ancestors has fought before, and we are going to fight you people again. We are not going to give up. So I'm calling on Nigerian security agencies to do their work now. Let them arrest those people that is trying to link up a fight between two tribes now. If you people fail to arrest them, if anything happens, we will also retaliate. The Northerners have so many business here in the east. We have so many markets that is being owned, controlled by the Northerners here in the east, there in Owerri, here in Anambra, there in Delta State. We dare you people now to touch the Igbos doing their business in Abuja, as the Arewa youth leader said. We are waiting for you people to touch them. We also have Dangote business investment here. Just touch any of Igbo people there and see the crazy part of it. I am not Obi Kuban, I'm not chief priest that you people can pay off. This time around, if you touch any Igbo person, all of us go share the blood once. Since you people don't have sense, you will just wake up unnecessarily and started making accusation, accusing the whole tribe, threatening the whole tribe. Because you are the owner of Nigeria now, you own all of us. The Arewa youth leader, we are waiting for you. Try any rubbish. I have never come on air like this to make a threat before or to challenge a person before, but I'm challenging you to just make a move. My name is Justice Ozobia. My voice has never been heard in Nigeria making a threat or threatening to fight anyone before. But if you want to test my capability, my capacity as a little boy, try it. We want to see something. I will shock the entire Nigeria. That is my promise. If I do not do it, may I not wake up the following morning? I swear to Almighty God. If anything happened to any Igbo man in the north and I did not retaliate here in the east, and I did not command the youth to do something, and if you will see the video kolo with your eyes. That's just the thing. Greetings all over the world.